Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy, and this is the third project from the March 2022 Beyond the Horizon Paper Pumpkin Kit. So we need this card base, we need one of the rectangles that's got the textured shapes on it. It's angled like almost like chevrons on there. We need the large set of mountains, we need the small set of mountains, and we need I think this is the Old Olive. Let me just check the contents of the kit. I believe it's Old Olive. And yes, it is. Sorry. It is Old Olive, is this piece. So these are the pieces we need. And the first thing it says that we need to do is we need to take these 4 pieces and we need to put adhesive dots on the back. So I will do that. Okay, so we'll get our adhesive dots out and we will go to town with the adhesive dots here. So I'm already thinking up things that I can do with this kit for outside the box. So I'll have to have a play and see what I can come up with, and then I'll do an outside the box for today, and then I'll do one outside the box card or alternate card each day this week, up to and including Friday. So it'll be Paper Pumpkin all week. So that will be a lot of fun. Okay, so I'm just adding the adhesive. You can tell on the instructions where to put the adhesive dots because they're the little black dots, and it shows you where to put them on the elements in the kit. So I just need to pop another one in there. And then on the back of the Old Olive piece, I need to put 3 across the back of here. So there's 1, stuck to my finger. So there we go, 1, 2, and 3. So I'll just pop that down like that. There we go. And what we need to do is this piece needs to go down first. So I'll just pop all my backings off and flick them away. Oh, I'm missing one here. What happened to that one? Okay, so we're just going to pop one down there, pop the back off. There we go. And let's see if I can peel this back off this one. There we go. Okay, and so this goes, you see a little bit along the side, so just like that. Okay, and then we take the blue mountain. So this is the Blue Mountains, and it's probably your Misty Moonlight Mountains, and we lay this down about halfway, kind of comes underneath here. Okay, and it comes out to the side a little bit. So we are going to place that down right there like that, and then we're going to take our Evening Evergreen Mountains and we're going to peel the backs off like this, and we're going to place it just slightly off-centered along the edge here. Okay, and it comes right up along the edge of the Misty Moonlight Mountains. So there we go. And then we take our piece of Old Olive and we peel the backings off. And this comes right underneath here, lines up like this. Just comes right up against the bottom like that. So there we go, we've got that piece in. And I look like I'm a little skew-whiff, but we will go with that. Now they ask for a 7.5-inch piece of the Pale Papaya cotton ribbon that came with it. So I used my handy dandy measuring tape along the edge of the instructions. And I need to cut it in half, or I need to cut it at 7.5, and then I need to fold it in half. So I'm just going to fold it in half and kind of just finger press it in place here. And then I need to add adhesive dots about here, and then one on each of the ends, but the ends are quite close together, so let's pop that down like that, and pop this one down like that. And next I need to stamp my greeting, and I didn't get that out. So where is my, here we go. I need one of these ones, and I need to take the I will always be here for you stamp. I'm just going to grab my scrap of paper just to make sure that it's inking well and is going to stamp well before I use it on a piece from my kit. So I'm just going to stamp that down, and that's really good coverage already, so that's perfect. So I'll ink it up again, making sure I've got good coverage. There we go. And then I'm just going to stamp it down. Maybe I'll just move this up to here so you can see it. Just press that down, give it a little bit of a push, and there we go. I will always be here for you. And what we need to do is we need to put this over top of this. So that's, okay, so this one needs to come in, this glue dot needs to come in further. Okay. So we need to pop, this needs to close up a bit, and we need to put the glue dot about there. Oh, okay, no glue dot yet, okay. All right, so this one is being a little bit persnickety. So let's just pop that down. There we go. Okay, so now I will be able to put my greeting, attach it like that. Okay, so I'm going to peel the backing off the adhesive dots like that. And that one took the adhesive dot with it. Okay, so I'm going to do these ones just a little bit differently. I'm going to peel the backing off of here, and of course that time it came with it. So let's put these down, and we'll just give it a little lift. There we go. There, that's better. Okay, and we'll take this one and we'll place it down, and then lift it a bit more gently than I did last time. There we go. All right, so there we go. There we've got our ribbon. And we need to put this kind of central over the ribbon like that. Okay, so now, whoops, we've got this piece done here. We need to flip it over, and we need to put 2 dimensionals on the back, on top of the ribbon as well, like that. There we go. We peel this off. All right, and we pop it down like that. Actually, it needs to come over just a wee tad. Now, can I peel that up? I can, because I haven't pressed it down. So we just, there we go, that's better. So I like to do these with you. This is the first time I'm doing these, just so you can see kind of how things go together. And I am not, because I haven't done these ones before, I'm just following the instructions the same way you would be. So you can see how easy it is to put them together. And sometimes there's a little bit of a kerfluffle while you're trying to get glue dots down and that. But like I say, if you've got a piercing tool or a take your pick tool, it makes it a lot easier. And then we put another one down here like this. So there we go. There is our third project in the March 2022 Beyond the Horizon Paper Pumpkin Kit. So thank you so much for watching. And I will do 1 alternate card to go after this video, and then 1 per day this week. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned.